IT problems aren't just annoyances. They can slow down your team, disrupt operations, and even impact customer trust. Nearly half of business owners admit they aren't fully leveraging technology, which can leave SMBs vulnerable to downtime and inefficiency. Hitesh Patel, CEO at WPG Consulting, explains, treating IT problems as a business priority gives you control, reduces downtime, and keeps your team focused on growth, not putting out fires. That perspective is key. By proactively addressing IT issues, technology becomes a tool for growth instead of a constant source of frustration. Some of the most common challenges businesses face include outdated systems, untracked devices or software, and waiting until something breaks before taking action. What starts as a small hiccup can quickly affect everyone on the team and even impact customer satisfaction. The solution? Stay ahead with proactive strategies, regular monitoring, keeping assets organized, training your team, planning for growth, and addressing issues as soon as they arise. The results are noticeable: less downtime, smoother workflows, and a team that can focus on actual projects instead of constantly fixing problems. When businesses take this approach, tech stops being the thing that slows them down and starts supporting the work they actually care about, keeping operations running smoothly and helping the team deliver for their customers. For a full guide, check out our latest blog, and don't forget to add this podcast to your playlist for easy access.